Welcome back children, welcome back to the bus maths class. In this session I would like to discuss about the sum which is given in the exercise 1.1 on real numbers, which is question number 4. Okay, shall we see the question? See. Show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Okay, shall we see the answer? Now, first we are using the Euclid's division lemma. Okay children, Euclid's division lemma. So here I am taking, let x be any integer. Euclid's division lemma says that for every positive integer a and b there exists unique integer q and r which satisfies a is equal to bq plus r. That is Euclid's division lemma. Here we are going to use x, okay, because we have given some hint in our textbook, that is x given as the positive integer. So let x be any positive integer. Let x be any positive integer and b is equal to 3. Then we can write x as 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Okay, we will get three values, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Right? So x 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Now see the question. Show that the square of any positive integer, square, that means first case 1, when x is equal to 3q. We are taking the first case as x is equal to 3q. Then squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. X square is equal to 3q whole square. Okay. Now x square is equal to 9q square. That is equal to 3 into 3q square. We can write 9q square as 3 into 3q square. And that value we can write as 3m, where m is equal to 3q square. Because in the question we have to prove that it is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So first we are proving that it is of the form 3m. So that's why I have written 3 into 3q square, that is equal to 3m, where m is equal to 3q square. So first condition, first case we have taken and proved that it is of the form 3m. So second case, that is case 2. Case 2 we can write x is equal to 3q plus 1. Same way, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So x square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. That is x square is equal to a plus b whole square. Using the identity we have to expand. That is 3q whole square plus 2 into 3q into 1 plus 1 square. That is equal to 9q square plus 2 3s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6q plus 1. I am expanding using a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is 9q square plus 6q plus 1. So again I can write this as I am going to rearrange this one. 3 I am taking outside. 9q square and 6q. So from these two numbers I have taken 3 as common factors. So 3 I have taken outside. So inside the bracket you will get 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus 1. That is equal to 3 into m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. Now this is second case we can prove in this form, that is x square is equal to 3m plus 1. So second case, that is 3m plus 1 we have proved. Okay. Now the next one is x is equal to case 3. Case 3 we can take as, so I am going to rub it, case 3. Now the next one is case 3. That is when x is equal to 3q plus 2. When x is equal to 3q plus 2, what is the form of this equation? That is squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. squaring on both sides. That is x square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Both sides we are making square. That is x square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Then x square is equal to the same way how we have expanded, same method we are using here, using the identity a plus b whole square. That is 3q whole square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 square. That is equal to 9q square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12q plus 4. Now again I am going to rearrange. That is 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Okay, I have written this 4 as 3 plus 1. Splitting this 4, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Again among this 9q square plus 12q plus 3, we can take 3 outside. 3 is the common factor. So take 3 outside. So after taking 3 outside, 3 take outside. That is 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and plus 1. Okay, 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Because 3 I have taken outside, after taking 3 outside, we will get inside the bracket 3q square plus 4 3s are 12 and again here 1 3. That 3 also I have taken, that is common factor. So inside the bracket 1 will get. So 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. Again we can write this as we can write this one as 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Okay, hence we have proved that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So first case is of the form 3m, second case 2 and case 3 is of the form 3m plus 1. Okay, that is the proof. Thank you children.